Are you the type of person who is constantly seeking on what you really want but still not find it? What if I say that we are trying to seek the wrong thing? And today's verse is Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, which says, "Seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be given to you." Some of us desire wealth, desire fame, desire attention, and anything that gives us satisfaction. But the conflict is we still don't have it. When we try seeking these things, they keep running away. It's very hard to reach these kind of things that is worldly and temporary. But if we seek the Lord first, if we put Him in the first top priority, then all these things that we are seeking will eventually follow if we are seeking the right thing, which is